Introduction. Did you know that 92% of people never achieve their goals? That's right, only 8% actually reach what they set out to do. But why is that the case? Why do so many people fall short, even with the best intentions? Today, we're diving into the secret behind setting and achieving your goals. Whether it's personal or professional, goal setting is key to growth and success. And guess what? With the right strategy, you can be part of that 8%. Let's break down the steps. Presentation of problem. Let's talk about the reality of goal setting. Setting goals may sound easy, but why do so many people struggle to achieve them? What's holding us back from reaching our full potential? Here's the truth. There are 3 major challenges that derail most people's goals: lack of clarity, loss of motivation, and no accountability. First, lack of clarity. Many people don't take the time to define their goals clearly, leaving them with a vague idea of what they want but no roadmap to get there. Without clarity, it's easy to get distracted and lose focus. Second, motivation. You start off strong, but eventually, life gets in the way, and your enthusiasm fades. Without a solid plan, motivation alone isn't enough to keep you moving forward. The initial excitement wears off, and it's hard to stay committed. Finally, accountability. If no one knows about your goal, there's less pressure to follow through. Having someone to check in with keeps you on track and makes it harder to back out. But if there's no external commitment, it's easy to let things slide. Exploration. Now that we know the problems, let's get into the 5 key steps to goal setting that can help you overcome these obstacles and start seeing real progress. Step 1. Set clear, specific goals. Clarity is everything when it comes to goals. A vague goal like "I want to be successful" won't get you very far. Instead, ask yourself, what does success look like? Be as specific as possible. Now, instead of just saying "I want to be successful," try this: "I will earn $5,000 per month by the end of the year." This goal is measurable, specific, and time-bound. You can track your progress and know exactly when you've achieved it. Step 2. Break goals into smaller steps. Big goals can feel overwhelming. Breaking them down into smaller, more manageable steps makes them less intimidating. For example, if your goal is to launch a business, don't just say "start a business." Break it down. Week 1. Research business ideas. Week 2. Create a business plan. Week 3. Register your business. Week 4. Start building a website. Small, actionable steps help you stay motivated, and before you know it, you've made significant progress. Step 3. Create a timeline and deadlines. Deadlines are your best friend when it comes to staying on track. Setting a timeline creates a sense of urgency and keeps you focused. Let's say your goal is to write a book. Instead of just saying "I'll write a book someday," set a deadline. "I'll write 500 words every day for 3 months and finish the first draft by June 1st. Creating mini deadlines within your timeline makes your goal feel real and gives you clear milestones to celebrate. Step 4. Stay accountable. Accountability is a game changer. Share your goals with someone you trust and set up regular check-ins to report on your progress. If you keep it to yourself, there's less pressure to follow through. Tell a friend, family member, or even share your goal on social media. Having someone to answer to makes you more likely to stay committed. Step 5. Track progress and adjust. Finally, tracking your progress is crucial. Don't wait until the very end to see how far you've come. Regularly assess your progress and adjust if needed. Track your daily, weekly, or monthly progress. If something's not working, adjust your approach. Maybe you're not hitting your target word count. That's okay. Reevaluate and find a strategy that works better. Key moment. Here's the game-changing insight that many successful people swear by: the secret to achieving your goals isn't just about setting them, it's about creating a system that supports them. A system is a consistent routine that helps you accomplish your goals effortlessly. Instead of just hoping for success, build systems that integrate your goals into your everyday life. For example, if your goal is to get fit, don't just tell yourself "I want to exercise more." Create a system where exercise is a non-negotiable part of your day. Whether it's a 30-minute walk every morning or hitting the gym 3 times a week, make it part of your lifestyle. By making your goal a habit, you won't have to rely on motivation. The system will do the heavy lifting for you, and over time, success will feel effortless. Conclusion. To recap, here's what you need to do to achieve your goals. Set clear, specific goals. Break them into manageable steps. Create a timeline with deadlines. Hold yourself accountable. Track progress and make adjustments. These 5 steps will lay the foundation for success. But remember, creating a system that supports your goal will make everything fall into place. I want to hear from you. What goals are you working on right now? Share them in the comments below, and let's support each other on this journey. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more personal development tips. And if you want to take your goal setting to the next level, Check out our next video on building powerful habits for success. You've got this. End of video.